Well, fellas, we're back with the 6.4 Hemi in my beautiful PW here. And this 6.4 Hemi, she's gonna get a little bit livened up today. Why? Because this stock exhaust system, well, she's going bye-bye. We got some new equipment going on to this truck, and I'm excited to see how she sounds. Welcome back, I'm Alex, and well, we're actually working with our hands today because, like I mentioned, we're gonna open up this 6.4 Hemi just a little bit. We got this nice MBRP catback exhaust system, and so we're gonna do a little bit of exhaust work, have a little bit of fun, because you guys know how much I love exhaust work. All right, first matter of business is to get this tailpipe section out with this big old resonator, which we don't want. So you guys can hopefully see our fasteners are looking a little crusty rusty, so we're gonna have to get the old die grinder out and cut this off. Milwaukee should come in handy. Well, that was fun, but yeah, it wasn't crazy. There is a weld in the backside of this clamp. Always fun having to cut and pry and hammer, as you can tell by my tool selection right there. This right here is our new muffler. Well, you guys can see how big this old stock muffler is. And then even the resonator, we don't need that anymore. But yeah, check this out. She's straight through. It's not supposed to be crazy loud, but it's certainly gonna give this truck a real nice rumble. And well, I did take a couple of clips, sound clips with the stock exhaust system on it, so I'll let you guys listen to that right now. So she does have a little bit of a rumble, but it's a little bit too quiet. And, well, that's obviously about to change because, well, I don't have anything on this truck right now. Obviously, the stock exhaust is off, so we're running right off the cats. And I figured, let's fire this truck up and see how loud it is just running off the cats. Well, here goes nothing, fellas. Let's see what happens. That's a little bit louder. Holy smokes. The 6.4 Hemi, she's got a little fire in her, but we're gonna quiet it up just a little bit because it's a little bit of aggressive running right off the cats. Here's what we got here. It is a 4-inch catback T304 stainless steel exhaust system. It's the street profile, so it's not the loudest or most aggressive MBRP exhaust kit that they sell for this truck, but it should certainly liven this thing up and give it a good rumble, as well as keeping it somewhat quiet when cruising and towing, which is exactly what I wanted. And especially living up here in Canada with all the salt, I really wanted to upgrade to the T304 stainless steel. And this kit does come with a lifetime warranty, which is pretty cool. Now, I did actually stop into the MBRP headquarters over the holidays, located in Huntsville, Ontario, a stone's throw away from my hometown, where they actually make these exhaust systems in-house, still in North America, which is very, very nice to see. I had the chance to get the full factory tour from Josh Barkey, current COO of MBRP and son of the original founder, Martin Barkey. And Josh shared some stories of growing up around the company, sweeping the factory floor and traveling to race events all across North America with his dad as a kid. And you can genuinely feel that it's still a very much family-run business. What was also cool to see is that Josh knew everybody who worked there by name, and they all seemed to know him, as well as knowing the product inside and out.
Because again, an exhaust operates as a horsepower multiplier. So really, it's not creating the power, but it's allowing the engine to create more power efficiency. So we show the flow rate because at the end of the day, if we can show that it's increasing a flow rate of 50%, then we're able to take more pressure off the engine, which allows it to make more power for the truck. If you do more things ahead of the exhaust, turbos, whatever else it is, the exhaust is only gonna help, right? And it's gonna help multiply what you've done ahead of it.
So yeah, it was cool to see such a large, well-known company like MBRP stay true to its roots, its culture, and sort of proving that it is genuinely a family business at heart. And well, you don't see this too often. Made in Canada. You love to see it. I'll link this exact product down in the description. I do believe these are actually on sale right now, so check it on out. Anyways, enough chit chat. I'm excited to see what this thing sounds like, so let's get her installed. Well, got the easiest part installed there, right there, fellas. All right, that was actually a pretty straightforward install. We'll put the tip on once we lower the truck, but don't want to forget tools there, kids. Done that too many times. I mean, everything kind of went together really, really nicely with the factory rubbers as well as the factory hanger mounts. Yeah, that was not bad at all. Much easier putting it on than taking it off. That does look pretty sweet with the MBRP stamped into the muffler right there. I think it looks pretty damn sharp, actually. Finally, la pièce de résistance. This nice chrome tip. Throw her on. It's a little tight. All right, let me show you what's going on here. This tip is just ever so slightly hitting the top of this plastic. I don't necessarily want the areas a better shot. It's just hitting it. I mean, it's just plastic at the end of the day. It's not necessarily gonna matter. Probably use her air, install her air, but I'm gonna leave it just like that. I think that's a good spot for it. Kind of wanted it in line. If you look at the back with like sort of the outside of the mud flap, I think that's a decent look. You guys can let me know if you want me to push it in, or I'm not pushing it out anymore. So don't even think about it. But yeah, she's all tight. I just gotta tighten up this tip, and it's time to fire this thing up. I'm excited. Does she sound mean? That thing is deep and throaty. Oh my god. That's wow, that like hits you in the heart. The 6.4, it's got that deep rumble, you know what I mean? You just can't replace that that big displacement rumble. Sounds really good. Well, fellas, the 6.4 Hemi, she's breathing just a little bit easier, and she sounded just a little bit better these days. I really like it. It's got such a deep tone to it. Hopefully the cameras and the microphones, more importantly, can pick that up. I'll know for sure when I edit this video. But yeah, you just have to trust me. It is such a nice, deep, throaty tone out of the 6.4 Hemi. I know the 5.7 Hemi, I owned it, and those engines sound fantastic. If you guys did like the video, don't forget to leave that thumbs up. Obviously, let me know what you think, if you think it sounds good or if it's just a little bit too aggressive. Apparently, MBRP has an even more aggressive exhaust system that you can get with these 6.4 Hemis. I think it sounds pretty freaking loud as is. Always fun working on the Power Wagon. And if you like stuff like this, don't forget to subscribe because we got lots of cool stuff planned as per usual. But enough of me. We'll see you in the next freaking video.